Restoring Nature, the Environmental Stewardship of China Pingshuo Coal Mining Corporation. In recent decades, the global focus on sustainable development and environmental protection has intensified. As industries around the world grapple with their ecological footprints, mining companies have come under particular scrutiny for their often destructive practices. However, amidst these challenges, some organizations are leading by example, demonstrating that industrial progress and environmental restoration can coexist harmoniously. One such company is China Pingshuo Coal Mining Corporation, CPCC, a pioneer in coal extraction and reclamation efforts. Through its innovative approach to restoring mine sites to green nature, CPCC has set a benchmark for responsible resource management and environmental stewardship. Coal mining has long been associated with significant environmental degradation. Open-pit mining operations, like those conducted by CPCC, involve the removal of vast quantities of soil and rock to access coal deposits. This process disrupts ecosystems, leads to deforestation, contaminates water sources, and contributes to soil erosion. Once mining activities cease, abandoned sites often remain barren wastelands, incapable of supporting biodiversity or human use. For years, this legacy of destruction overshadowed the economic benefits derived from coal production. Recognizing the urgent need to address these issues, CPCC embarked on an ambitious journey to transform its mining operations into a model of sustainability. By prioritizing land rehabilitation and ecosystem restoration, the corporation sought not only to mitigate its environmental impact, but also to create lasting value for local communities and future generations. The transformation process implemented by China Pingshuo was multifaceted, reflecting a deep commitment to ecological restoration and innovation. Initially, the company tackled the physical degradation caused by years of intensive mining. Excavated pits and heaps of waste material were repurposed through a process of land reclamation that focused on stabilizing soils and restoring topographical contours. Advanced techniques, ranging from the reuse of coal waste, gangue, as building materials and soil conditioners to the establishment of drainage systems that prevent waterlogging, played a critical role in resetting the natural order of these lands. By reshaping the land and improving soil quality, the company laid the groundwork for a comprehensive ecological revival. However, restoring nature goes beyond merely reassembling earth and rock. China Pingshuo's vision encompassed a holistic approach that integrated advanced ecological reconstruction with biodiversity enhancement. The introduction of native plant species was central to their strategy, as these species are inherently adapted to local conditions. Over time, vast tracts of barren areas have blossomed into green corridors interwoven with forests, shrubs, and flowering plants. This green revival not only improves the landscape's aesthetic, but also fosters an environment conducive to a resurgence of wildlife. Today, the transformed sites are home to a diverse array of plant and animal species, illustrating how purposeful stewardship can revive biological communities once thought lost. Economic diversification also plays a significant role in the restoration project. The rehabilitated mining sites have been reimagined as multifunctional spaces, offering recreational and educational opportunities for local communities. By integrating nature reserves, ecological parks, and experimental agricultural plots, China Pingshuo has created models of sustainable living. These projects serve as tangible lessons in balancing industrial productivity with environmental responsibility, a formula that not only protects natural resources but also cultivates new economic prospects through tourism and green agriculture. Moreover, China Pingshuo's restoration initiatives are emblematic of a broader cultural and regulatory shift in China. Facing mounting environmental pressures, local and national governments have tightened regulations surrounding industrial pollution and land management. In this climate, companies like China Pingshuo are not just complying with laws, they are actively rethinking the relationship between industry and nature. Their pioneering practices have garnered recognition and praise, serving as a blueprint for other enterprises grappling with similar challenges in both China and abroad. Integrated research, community engagement, and governmental support have all been instrumental in the success of these projects. By engaging local communities and environmental experts, the corporation has ensured that its reclamation processes are scientifically sound and socially beneficial. This collaborative effort has transformed a once hostile mining environment into a green sanctuary that enhances local quality of life and contributes to the global fight against environmental degradation. The eco-restoration efforts of China Pingshuo Coal Mining Corporation represent a powerful narrative of change. From the depths of industrial exploitation to the heights of ecological and social rejuvenation, the journey of these rehabilitated mine sites offers hope and inspiration. It stands as a vivid reminder that even the most scarred landscapes can birth new life when guided by innovation, dedication, and a deep respect for nature. This transformation not only highlights what is possible through sustainable practices, but also shines a light on the enduring resilience of both human ingenuity and the natural world.